Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe an invention that is useful in your daily life. You should say, what is the invention? What it can do, how popular is it? Whether it is difficult or easy to use, and explain why it is useful. The smartphone is one of the most practical devices I use on a daily basis. It has fundamentally changed how we interact, collaborate, and pass the time. A smartphone is a portable gadget that may be used for a variety of purposes, including social media, messaging, calling, internet surfing, taking pictures, and even money management. Smartphones today include high-resolution cameras, powerful processors, and artificial intelligence features that make life easier and more productive thanks to technological breakthroughs. With billions of users across the globe, smartphones are incredibly popular for a variety of uses. Due to its ease and adaptability, practically everyone owns a smartphone, including professionals, students, and senior citizens. Every generation of smartphones gets smarter and more efficient because to the constant introduction of new features by well-known companies like Apple, Samsung, and Google. People can now arrange rides, shop online, attend virtual meetings, and even keep an eye on their health thanks to mobile apps, which have further increased their utility. Because most smartphones have touchscreen controls and user-friendly interfaces, using one is not too difficult. It doesn't take long for even non-techies to learn how to use apps, make calls, and send texts. Using voice commands to do activities has become even simpler thanks to voice assistants like Google Assistant and Siri. Smartphones are among the most versatile devices ever made because of their capacity to download apps, change settings, and connect to many devices. Smartphones put the world at our fingertips, which is why they are so helpful. They enable us to effectively manage our daily duties, keep informed about news and information, and maintain relationships with our loved ones. A smartphone is practically a need in today's hectic world because it saves time, boosts productivity, and offers entertainment while on the road. A smartphone is an invention that has greatly enhanced modern living and continues to influence how we engage with the outside world, whether for business, education, or leisure.
For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.